Today, we're adding some security to our chicken coop with the help of our new 360-degree view, battery-powered camera from EZVIZ. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get set up quickly and easily. Inside the box, you can find your user manual and instructions, hardware, a micro USB charging cable, drill template, and of course, your 2K resolution, 360-degree coverage security camera. This camera is super easy to install and get going. The power port is right on the bottom and allows you to charge the 10,400 mAh rechargeable battery. You can even plug a solar panel into it and let it get a charge itself from our good friend the sun. If you push the button on the bottom, it allows you to quickly release the mounting plate. This not only makes installation super easy, but allows you to take the camera down whenever you need without the hassle. Now first, it's time to set up your camera. Make sure your camera is charged and then download the app. Connect your camera by scanning the QR code on the back. Finish out the setup and name your camera.
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
Then it's time to mount it. To install, screw in the mounting plate to a solid surface and slide on your security camera. Then you're good to go. Now you can log into the app and spy on what's going on in front of you. We wanted some peace of mind making sure our chickens were safe, and this has been perfect. Not only can we see them whenever we want, but it records any event that happens in there and allows us to talk to them.
Are you guys flying? Are you flying?
And when I'm in the coop, I can talk to Command Central. They can hear me, and I can hear them over the camera.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Really? Wow, that's cool.
Now that's just too cool. The desktop app has been so helpful. I set up preset camera angles, one at the entrance, one at the exit, and one on the ground. I can quickly cycle through and check the whole area by clicking a few buttons. This camera even has useful night modes. You can choose between color mode or infrared mode. Now you can switch from black and white mode to full color mode upon detection. To do this, the camera casts a really bright light upon its recording area. Then, it has smart detection with auto tracking. Between the following camera and security light, I can see this being really useful to scare off any intruders on your property. The app is really convenient too. You can use the camera control to pan and tilt around and have a view of your area. You could take snapshots and record those vital moments right to your phone. You could turn on push-through alerts so your phone will notify you whenever there's action in front of the camera. And you can even adjust the sensitivity so it records more or less of what's going on around you. To review clips, you can either pay for cloud storage or put in your own micro SD card for it to record to. Just make sure it's a fast card because this camera records at 2K and needs a high quality card so there's no quality loss. Then, if you have one of these two storage options, you can go back and replay events that happened right in front of the camera. Now I have a record of everyone that comes and goes to see the chickens, and can make sure they're fed and doing well from the comfort of my desk. I've tested a lot of security cameras over the years, and this one by far was the easiest to set up. The 360-degree control makes you feel so powerful. This is my first security camera that you can easily pan and tilt around, and I just love it. Everywhere is seen, and nothing is going to be missed. So if you have an area that needs secured, this camera from EZVIZ might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go spy on my chickens some more with my awesome new security camera. See ya!